How to remove yourself as admin from Facebook page. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can remove yourself as admin. For that, you first of all want to open up any web browser. Then, here you want to search for facebook.com. Now, you first of all want to log into your Facebook account. Once you have been logged in, make sure that you are in your Facebook page. If not, click on the profile icon and simply switch to your Facebook page. Once you have been switched, you want to click on Settings and Privacy. From here, select Settings. Now, on the left-hand side panel, you have different options. You want to scroll down and click on the option of Page Setup. Here, you can manage all of your settings of your page, such as page access, page management history, page status, advanced managing, data sharing, and much more. Click on the option of View next to Page Access. Once you're here, you have the option of Manage and View Access here. As you can see, in People with Facebook Access, there is your name, which means you are currently the admin. Click on these three dots and click on the option of Remove Access. Here it says that after removing access, you will automatically be switched back to your profile. You will no longer have access to your Facebook page. Now, if you want this, simply enter your password for security reasons. Then click on the confirm option. Once you do that, you will be switched back to your original profile and you will no longer have access to your Facebook page. So if you click on your profile icon again, there will be no mention of your Facebook page anymore. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.